Shell. So what is a shell, guys? A shell is a software program. What is it? So what is a shell, guys? Shell is a shell is a software program that allows you to interact and access a computer. Interact and access a computer. Okay, computer system. So user can enter the commands. User can enter the commands. User can enter the commands in the shell prompt, which will be executed by the shell. Which will be executed by the shell. Okay, since the only means of communication, the only means of communication through shell is text. Shell is text. It is known as, what is this, guys? It is known as command line interface. What is that, guys? Command line interface, or CLI. What is that, guys? Or CLI. Okay, or CLI. A shell is a command that a shell is a shell is a command interpreter, and serves as a user interface to the Linux kernel. So what are the types of cells, guys? Types of shells. So what are the types of cells? Yesterday we already discussed it, right? SH shell, bash shell, CSH, and KSH shells. Okay, KTCSH shell. Guys, these are the shells. Understood, right? So now you understood what is shell. Shell is a software program that allows you to interact and access the computer. User can enter the commands in the shell prompt, which will be executed by the shell. Since only the means of communication through shell is text, how you can communicate with the shell through text only. ls, pwd, everything is through commands only. Command is nothing but a text. It is known as a command line interface, or a CLI. A shell is a command interpreter and serves as a user interface to the Linux kernel. So types of shells. So bash, C shell, bash shell. So which shell we are using by default? By default, Linux uses bash shell. Okay. So Linux uses the bash shell. Yes, understood? Yeah. So the OS installation is completed. You can just reboot. CentOS is now successfully installed and ready for you to use. Go ahead and reboot to start using it, guys. Okay, understood? The OS installation is completed. So how many packages installed? Guys, how many packages installed? So 304 packages installed. How many? 304 packages are installed. Yeah. So which user, guys? Which user we set the password for the which user, guys? So which user we set the password?
Root user.
Very good. So which user? Root user. Password is red hat. So what password we set, guys? We set the password for root user, right? One second, guys. Yeah. So this is the Linux, guys. This is the Linux OS cat slash etc red hat hyphen release. So yeah, CentOS Linux 7.9 is installed. 7.9 is installed. I will connect this through Otter side. Yeah. So guys, I will tell you later this one. V slash etc sysconfig network hyphen scripts IFCFGENP S3 got a. So what I said? I said I want to get the IP address at the boot time. So I'm setting on boot equal to S WQ. Again, I want to set the on boot. So we added three networks, right? Three network cards. Yes. Yes. Okay. So now I am, yeah. How we can shut down the mission? How you can reboot the mission, guys? Linux mission. Okay. Init 0 is nothing but a shutdown. Init 6 is nothing but a reboot. Okay. So init 0. So after completion of your work, what you can do, guys? You can shut down your mission. How you can shut down your mission? You can shut down by using the init 0 command. Init 0 is the shutdown command. Okay. You see? So the CentOS is shutting down, powered off. I want to start the Linux CentOS. Just click the start button. It will start the OS. Yeah. So this is the kernel, guys. What this is? So that is the kernel. What is the kernel version? Everything I will show you. Once reboot, right? So what is the username, guys? Username is root. Password is red hat. Okay. IP space A, IP address. We will get the IP address. So why we need IP address? For example, your data center is in. For example, you are working from Hyderabad. Your Bangalore, Chennai, or Mumbai. How we can connect this server? Definitely, we can connect this server through IP address or host name. Okay. So what is the IP address? 192.168.56.111. So right, I will connect this through putty also. I will tell you why putty. I will tell you guys this server through putty. What is the IP address I'm getting? 192.168. So 56.111. Okay. Shit. Accept. You guys can accept this one. Once you accept, right, it will ask username. What is the username? Root password is red hat. Okay. I want to change the settings. I want to change the settings. Guys, are able to see this letters? No, right? That's the reason I can change the letter size to 16 bold play. Now you can able to see the letters, right? So you logged in as a which user? Root user. So cd slash ls. Okay. So these all are the slash is the directory, bin is the directory, boot is the directory, dev is the directory, etc is the directory, home is the directory, media is the directory, mnt is the directory, opt, root, sbin, tempo, usr, var.